Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Julie. I am here to share with you information about the difference between law and legal. Legal is the system that we've all kind of bought into and give consent to, which is how we can be beholden to rules and regulations and other people's ideas about how we should live. When what is true is that we are born with rights just because we were created by creation itself. And it is only when we give up those God-given rights to another agency or entity that we then have to abide by these rules and regulations. But when when a man or a woman understands and knows their rights as a created creation on this entity called Earth, then they can express their rights. Unfortunately, I know since I was born and my parents and even their parents, we have been taught in public schools, in the government school system, how to play the legal game. Legal game is literally a game, just like a board game you would play as a kid or as an adult. The rules and the regulations, and then take a piece, tokens that represent you. You're the player in the game. And then as the token, you move around the board. But you're the person, you're not the token. But during the game, you are represented by the token, and therefore you are using those rules and regulations to play a game. Well, life has been taken over by rules and regulations, but it's really just a game. And when you understand how the game works, then you can untangle the language that you use and the rules and regulations that you think you have to play in order to be a man or a woman in our society. To give you an idea, we never want to diminish ourselves as men and women with titles. Listen to this. Men and women create legal societies which oversee governments, which oversee agents, which oversee courts, which oversee judges, who oversee prosecutors and attorneys, which represent clients. There you are. You went from here to here, but you don't have to. You can just stay here and then you are free. You just have to be able to express your law, because that is the rights that we have through being created. We diminish ourselves all the way down to the 8th level because that's how we've been taught to play the game. And I'm going to teach you how to understand it simply and to express yourself. And this, my friends, my peers, my equals, is how we are free. We all have free will, but free will we are giving away. We're giving it away all the time because we don't know. We don't have this information. And I've studied it, and I'm not the best teacher of it. I will put in the comments below, like in my description, the people I think teach it the best. And when you use those links, I get a little bit of a commission. They don't advertise out in the world. They're just sharing their knowledge peer to peer without all the pomp and circumstances. I come to you as a woman of living kind, as a sentient being. And what you will learn here on this channel is this: how you are a sentient being and how you can express your law. My specialty and my background is in karma, yoga, freedom, sovereignty, love, and communication. Because we can't come to it as we're against something. You just come from being the being that you are. I love this. I'm passionate about it, and I am just going to start doing these little videos as much as I can. So, namaste. Bye.